All right, Debbie, so I'm in your system right now, and this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go into courses, and under courses, I'm going to click on resources. And when it pulls up resources, it's going to show me all the resources in the system among all the courses. So right here, it's going to show you, this is the course title if the resource is connected to specifically a course title. Otherwise, it'll just show the resource and if it's a global one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a resource. And when I add the resource, the window that I'm seeing now shows me that it's either course related or it's a global component. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it global. Okay. So now by making it global, it'll change the interface a bit. So now it shows you what department you're going to make it available for. And you said we're going to make it available to everybody. So I'm going to keep it here. If you wanted to narrow it down to a specific group, like maybe just your clients or just your internal people, you can click on them and then it'll provide it at that level and all its sub levels. But we're going to provide this to everybody, so I'm going to back it up to departments here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the file area here and I'm going to browse for that specific file. And by doing this, what it's going to do is it's going to bring up a window, and the window that it's going to bring up is going to be this window here, which is the repository of your LMS. And you can see that it's really nothing's in there just yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go, let's see here. It looks like you don't have a resource folder in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a resources folder. Okay, so I'm going to add a new folder and I'm going to make it resources. And hit OK. So now when I scroll down, I should be able to see that there's a resources folder. Now, I'm just going to put it in the resources folder, and I can see that nothing's in there right now, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the upload button. I'm going to click and I'm going to browse, and I saved it on my hard drive under this particular folder here. So I'm going to go to ITS, and it's your help document. So I'm going to upload it. I'm going to upload. It may take a few seconds. So now that it's uploaded, I'm going to click on it. I'm going to hit OK. And now it's going to make this the resource. Now the name of the resource, I'm just going to make this the help document. And you can go in there and rename it whatever you want. That's really up to you. You can make a description. And I'm going to add it as part of the area now. So I can either add more resources or do whatnot. But I'm going to go into the front side. I'm going to log in as UW and show you what it should look like. So now I'm logged in as you on the front end here, and whether it's you or anybody, you should be able to go to My Resources, and when you click on that, there's a folder called General Resources. Now when you click on this folder, you should see the help documents right here. You click on the help document, it should open up a new tab for you, and then in that new tab, this should be the PDF file that you want your learners to see. So while it's loading in here, I'll just pause it. And then once it's fully loaded in here, you should see that there's the help document that you just sent. And there it's uploaded. So now everybody has this available to them. So if there's any questions, please call me.